If you want to find your lost Gmail account by using your phone number, then what you do is go ahead and open settings in your Android device. Go to this option accounts and backup. Select this option manage accounts and select this option add account. Select Google. Select forget email. Now you have to enter your phone number and you have to begin with plus country code and your phone number. Next, now you have to enter your first name and the last name is optional, and then next. Now Google will send an email to the phone number, so select continue. So I can see all the emails that have used that same phone number and having the same first name. So in this way you can find your lost Gmail account.